Hello guys, and welcome back to the MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the machines in any training facility, but right now we're in the Gator training facility. So now, just to make sure, like, let's just say you guys go to the bench press and you're like wondering why you can't use it, is because you do not have the badges for it. So like if you press on view workout checkout, what is it called, view workout checklist, you know, it says you do not have a badge for bench press, whatever, but I do have one for the agility ladder. So let's just go to the agility ladder. It's right here, and if I press X, you know, it will automatically come X, and then look, I can now use it. You know, I can do continue, I can do warm up, I can exit, etc. But now I can't do that for all of the machines. I can only do it for the ones I have badges for. And just again, you just say has badges, and then I have it one for agility ladder, agility hurdles, and yoga ball. And I do not have it for the other ones. But yeah, so in case you were wondering why you can't use all the other workouts, that is why. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.